Tommy enters Waterland, slides and fountains, oh so grand. Sun is shining, sky so blue, splashing fun for me and you. Rainbows slide up in the sky. Wow! He says with happy cheer, best water slide is finally here. Down he goes with joyful shout, water splashes all about. Whee! He laughs with face so bright, sliding fast with pure delight. Tommy jumps into the pool. Water fountains feel so cool, splash and laugh and play all day. Water park is fun to stay. Water battle is the name. Cannon sprays from left and right. Friends are laughing in the fight. Tommy aims and joins the game. Floating slow in river blue, Tommy rests and enjoys the view. Gentle waves and sky so wide, peaceful lazy water ride. Fountain spray in rainbow style, Tommy dances all the while. Spinning, jumping, feeling free, splashing water joyfully. Ice cream melting in his hand, Tommy smiles, life feels so grand. Sweet, cool treat after play, perfect end to sunny day. Water battle is the name, racing fast with friends beside. Down the twisting rainbow slide, who will win? They shout and cheer. Fun and speed are always here. Tommy stands up proud and bright, water park was pure delight. Trophy shining in his hand, best adventure